Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to find the factors of this given quadratic trinomial whose leading coefficient is not 1. So let me show you an easy way to find the factors for this polynomial or trinomial. So the very first thing I want you to put down two parentheses. Okay, so far so good. Now I want you to just focus on this part, 8x. Just disregard this exponent. So I want you to put down 8x in the first parentheses, and I want you to put down 8x in the second parentheses as well. So the next step, I want you to go ahead and multiply this 8 and this 3, both and numbers. 3 and 8, if you multiply, is going to give you 24. So I want you to put that 24 on the top over here in this diagram, and look at this 14, positive 14. This is going to be at the bottom over here in this diagram. So this is the middle number. Now let's look for two factors of this 24 that if you can add could give you 14. Think about those two numbers. So the possible numbers, of course, gonna be a 2 and 12, isn't it? 2 times 12 is 24, and if you add 2 and 12, it's gonna give you 14. So the only thing is we have to adjust the sign. So this is gonna be a positive 2 and this is gonna be positive 12. So these are our two factors. So I want you to put down positive 2 in the first parentheses, and I want you to put down positive 12 in the second parentheses. Now in the next step, I want you to just look at the numbers in the very first parentheses, 8 and 2. I want you to look for the GCF, the biggest number that divides into both of them at the very same time evenly. So of course it's going to be a 2. So 2 is the biggest number that divides into both of them. So divide 8 and 2 by 2. How about in the second parentheses, we got 8 and 12. So the GCF for 8 and 12 is going to be obviously 4. That divides into both of them at the very same time. So let's go ahead and simplify this thing. In the very first parentheses, 2 goes into 8x is simply 4x plus 1, and over here that is going to be simply 2x plus 3, and these are our factors. So thus 4x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 are our factors for this given quadratic trinomial. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.